7 counterintuitive time management tips that really work. The concept of time management is pretty intuitive, right? It's the practice of working smartly and efficiently so that you can maximize your time. There are a lot of things that can be done to maximize time, though. Of course, there are the classics: stay organized, plan things out using your calendar, write to do lists. But what about those out of the box ideas for time management? If you're looking for some well hidden tricks on effectively managing your time, here are 7 counterintuitive time management tips for you. 1. Schedule breaks throughout your day. When you have a lot on your plate, all you want to do is work and get it all done. It's important to work efficiently, though, not just excessively. Your brain only stays focused for 90 minutes at a time, max. Take a break every hour and a half to recharge. 2. Use both sides of the brain. We tend to get stuck using only one side of the brain. If you're in a creative career, you're constantly using the right side of your brain. On the flip side, math and science lovers are using the left side of the brain more. Switch it up to keep your thinking sharp. It'll boost your overall thinking process, which helps you work more efficiently over time. Something as simple as doodling while engaging in logical left brain work will make you more resourceful. 3. Exercise. You're probably thinking, that'll take up more of my time. Yes and no. Exercise is good for your physical and mental health, so it's a smart investment of your time. It relieves stress and gives you an outlet outside of work. 4. Let your body rest. Lots of people allow sleep to take the back burner to work, but the only thing that it does is slow you down. If you're not getting your much needed 8 hours of sleep every night, you'll perform slower at work the next day. And that doesn't sound productive, does it? 5. Give yourself time to relax. Relaxing is different from taking work breaks. A work break is short, like spending a few minutes on your phone or grabbing a quick snack. Relaxation time is different. It means allowing yourself to be mindful of the present moment. Meditation and yoga are both great ways to take time to relax. It doesn't have to be a major time suck. Even 10 minutes of meditation every morning will go a long way towards improving your disposition and work ethic. 6. Avoid interruptions, especially your phone. When everything's digitized and communication is instant, it's easy to get caught up in the vortex of quick replies. Try to refrain from phone interruptions like phone calls, texts, and emails when you're working on something important. It'll distract you and slow you down. 7. Find happiness every day. Life is about the journey, not the destination. Don't take things so seriously that you forget how to have fun and enjoy where you are. Enjoy today and be excited for tomorrow.